Okay, picture this. You're at the grocery store checkout. There's a super long line forming right behind you, foot tapping and all. You swipe your Wisconsin WIC card and suddenly, bam, you're hit with that sinking feeling. Did you actually have enough benefits left for that specific brand of cereal? Is the machine going to decline it? It's a wildly stressful, all too common scenario that completely holds up the line, and honestly, it can ruin a perfectly good shopping trip. Welcome to today's Explainer. We're going to completely eliminate that checkout panic today by showing you exactly how to easily manage and check your Wisconsin WIC balance right from your smartphone.
Seriously, we've all been there, right? Freezing at the register, frantically second-guessing if an item is actually covered or if your balance is high enough. Well, your smartphone is actually the absolute ultimate tool to guarantee a stress-free shopping trip. By the end of this explainer, you're going to know exactly how to use it to save time, dodge those awkward register rejections, and just shop with absolute confidence.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is our roadmap for today. First, we'll cover understanding eWIC basics. Then we'll look at the MyWIC app, followed by backup checking methods, and finally, some pro tips and FAQs. Let's get started.
Section 1. Understanding eWIC, the basics. If you're newly enrolled in Wisconsin WIC, or maybe you just need a quick refresher, this is your foundational knowledge.
So your eWIC card is an electronic benefits transfer, or EBT card. It's what eligible Wisconsin families use to access monthly WIC food benefits at authorized stores. Now, here is the absolutely crucial detail, and literally the main reason checking your balance is so incredibly important. These are non-rolling benefits. That means your WIC benefits expire every 30 days. If you don't use them within that exact 4-week window, you lose them entirely. They do not roll over to the next month like some other assistance programs might. So use them or lose them.
Section 2. The Wisconsin MyWIC app, your digital tool. This is your primary, state-sponsored way to manage your family's nutrition.
The absolute easiest way to keep tabs on your balance is through the official, completely free app published by the Wisconsin Department of Health Services. Here is exactly how to get it up and running. Step 1. You'll want to download the Wisconsin MyWIC app from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Step 2. Create your MyWIC account. And Step 3. Securely link your active 16-digit eWIC card number. Quick heads up, you might need some basic verification details to finalize this, like your date of birth or your zip code, so definitely keep those handy when you're setting it all up.
Now, what's really interesting about this app is how it completely replaces those old paper lists and the guesswork. It literally puts a massive amount of power right in your pocket. Right there on your screen, you can view your real-time benefit balances so you know exactly how many ounces of whole grains or gallons of milk you've got left. You can also use your phone's camera to scan UPC barcodes while you're actually walking the aisles to instantly verify if a food item is WIC approved. Plus, it helps you locate authorized grocery stores nearby, and you can even get direct appointment reminders and messages from your local clinic. Talk about a time saver.
We do need to transparently address a known technical vulnerability with the app, though. Based on recent user feedback, some Apple users experience what's known as the iOS scanner glitch. Basically, the app can sometimes crash entirely when you're using the UPC barcode scanner tool on iPhones. And yeah, it is incredibly frustrating when you're standing right there in the grocery aisle just trying to figure out if a certain brand of cheese is approved. But hey, don't worry. This is exactly why it's so critical to have foolproof backup methods ready to go.
Which brings us perfectly to Section 3. Backup methods. Other ways to check. These are your essential safety nets for when the app is offline or just glitching out on you.
Let's compare your backup methods side by side. First up is the EBT Edge portal or app. This platform is managed by Fidelity Information Services, and it's fantastic if you're a multi-benefit household. If you also use SNAP or FoodShare Quest benefits in Wisconsin, EBT Edge lets you manage both in one single place at ebtedge.com or through their dedicated mobile app. Next, we've got the automated phone line. For quick audio checks, just call 1-877-231-3452. That number is printed right on the back of your card, making it a perfect instant fallback if your internet happens to be down. And finally, whatever you do, don't overlook your trusty physical grocery receipt. Literally every single time you check out, the cashier hands you a receipt that clearly lists your exact remaining food balances and their upcoming expiration dates. Keep those.
Moving right along to Section 4. Pro tips and FAQs. Knowing your balance is really only half the battle. Let's talk about checking out like a pro.
Let's compare some good and bad security habits. Do memorize your PIN. And guys, this is a massive pro tip here. Always swipe your WIC card first at checkout. Because WIC benefits expire every 30 days while other benefits like SNAP actually roll over, you always want the register to deduct from WIC first and then you pay the remaining balance with debit, SNAP, or cash. On the flip side, don't write your PIN directly on the card. Just don't do it. And don't share your card with anyone you don't fully trust. If someone else compromises your PIN and uses your card, you cannot get those benefits back. They're just gone.
So the absolutely crucial point here revolves around this number, 4. This represents the strict 4-pin lockout rule in the Wisconsin system. If you forget your PIN and you guess it incorrectly 4 times in a row at the register, your card will completely lock up to protect your account. No exceptions. It's going to stay locked at least until midnight or until you call customer service to reset it. The big takeaway? If you forget it, don't just keep guessing. Step aside and call the customer service number on the back of your card to reset it before you hit that 4th strike.
Now, what about other common checkout issues? Let's run through a rapid-fire troubleshooting guide to empower you. Card lost or stolen. Call your local WIC clinic immediately so they can deactivate it and protect your remaining food benefits. What if the magnetic strip is damaged and it just won't swipe? Don't panic. The grocery cashier is officially allowed to manually type the 16-digit card number right into the register, though you will still have to enter your own PIN. Finally, what if the store's EBT system is offline? Unfortunately, you just have to wait for their systems to return or come back later. Cashiers absolutely cannot bypass a statewide system outage. It's out of their hands.
And that brings us to Section 5, Wrap Up and Next Steps, to conclude our explainer. Just a quick disclaimer before we finish up. Please remember that app features, software versions, and state procedures are always subject to updates. The information we've presented here is based on the current program guidelines, but you should absolutely always contact your local Wisconsin WIC clinic directly or call the Well Badger Resource Center at 800-642-7837 for the most up-to-date, personalized assistance regarding your family's specific benefits. Which brings us to our final question for you today. Which balance checking method are you going to try on your next grocery run? Are you going to download the Wisconsin WIC app, maybe log into the EBT Edge portal, or just stick to that trusty 1877 phone number? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, hit that subscribe button for more practical guides. And please, share this explainer to support other families in your community who might be experiencing that exact same checkout panic. Have a fantastic, stressful shopping trip, and we will see you in the next explainer.